I've been reading the beginning of Jesus' big sermon, and I'm really confused. He says, "Blessed are those who mourn." But when I feel sad, I don't feel blessed at all.
That is a wonderful question, Lamby. The kingdom of heaven does seem upside down, but only because the world measures things the wrong way. To understand, we need to go back to that mountainside.
It was the 1st century. God's people were living under Roman rule, tired, taxed, and longing for rescue. But instead of lifting a sword, Jesus sat down and began to teach. He used the word makarios, which we translate as blessed. It means a deep joy that comes from living in God's favor.
To be poor in spirit means knowing we cannot save ourselves.
It's realizing we need God more than success, power, or possessions. Jesus promises, theirs is the kingdom of heaven, not because they earned it, but because they are open to receiving it. Jesus does not say suffering is good, but he promises that when hearts are broken by loss, sin, or sorrow, God draws especially close. They shall be comforted. God never wastes tears. Meekness is not weakness. It is strength under God's control. In a world that praises domination, Jesus honors gentleness. They shall inherit the earth. This Beatitude speaks of a deep longing, not for things, but for goodness, justice, and holiness. Those who desire God's ways above all else will never be left empty. They shall be satisfied.
Mercy means loving as God loves, choosing forgiveness over revenge.
Jesus promises mercy to those who show mercy. To be pure in heart means having an undivided love for God, no masks, no double lives. They shall see God, not just someday in heaven, but even now through faith. Peacemakers don't just avoid conflict, they actively heal it. They bring God's shalom, wholeness, to a broken world. Jesus calls them children of God. Following Jesus may bring misunderstanding or suffering, but those who remain faithful, even when it's hard, share in his kingdom.
So Lamby, Jesus wasn't saying being poor or sad is fun. He was teaching that when we stop relying on ourselves, we make room for God's grace.
Holy fun fact!
Do you see how the hill curves like a bow, Lamby? When Jesus spoke, his voice moved like gentle waves and rolled up the hillside, helping everyone hear. God even shaped the land to carry his word.
So, being blessed doesn't mean life is easy. It means God is close. It's not about what I have. It's about who I trust with my heart.
I'm being meek. I'm being meek. Well, at least I was merciful.
That's how the kingdom grows, Lamby, one small step at a time.